How to manage Fiverr inbox messages efficiently. First of all, log into your Fiverr account and go to the inbox section. This is where all your messages, buyer requests and order updates are displayed. Next, prioritize your messages. Respond to active orders and potential clients first, and flag or mark less urgent messages to handle later. Quick responses show professionalism and increase the chances of getting orders. After that, use Fiverr's search and filter features to organize messages by unread, active, or archived conversations. This helps you keep track of important communications and prevent messages from getting lost. Also, maintain clear and professional communication. Always greet the buyer politely, understand your requirements carefully, and provide concise, helpful responses. Avoid long paragraphs and unnecessary text to keep your messages readable. Finally, archive completed conversations and set reminders for follow-ups if needed. Regularly cleaning and organizing your inbox ensures you never miss opportunities and keeps your Fiverr workflow efficient. Now you know how to manage Fiverr inbox messages efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.